SC354, and this is the Pontiac Firebird. The Firebird is number 5 of the series. There's 2 of them. This is the blue Firebird, all right? 1977 Firebird. Beautiful car, Pontiac. Okay, and this is Xtraction chassis. Xtraction. People don't like me calling Mega Traction. It's Magnum Traction. Somebody complained to me that I said Mega Traction with the old Aurora, and it's actually Magnum Traction. M-A-G-N-A. Blah blah blah. So this is the Firebird. This is the 5th of the series of 6 cars, and this is the blue one.